blindfolded.
What's
I
up,
can
guys? Today we're doing
the blindfolded pizza challenge.
yeah. His name's Anthony. My name's Aiden. And we're making pizza. Our mom and dad wanted us to actually do this. To make dinner! But there's a twist. We had to be blindfolded! Yeah!
So we have a plethora of toppings like bacon,
Pepperoni,
bacon,
cheese,
nasty, disgusting stuff.
and azul peppers.
I think these are olives.
We're poor,
So?
so don't make us do this.
Really?
Smack us.
This is some
kind of cheese.
really good name brand cheese. Yep, 100% name brand.
Yeah,
Thank you, Walmart. Great value.
yeah. That was our dad. Don't worry about him. Yeah.
Irrelevant,
So let's start.
probably. We're blindfolded, and we're about to make the pizza.
Yeah,
So let's go.
we have the dough.
Eden, cover your eyes. Don't cheat. Come on, is this the pizza? Is this good?
This is the dough.
You see what they're doing?
I'm just gonna...
Am I doing good?
Yes,
Am I doing good, Daddy?
of course.
I'm not telling you. Aiden, I see you.
I'm not cheating.
This is like the Bird Box win. This is like the Bird Box. And pretend like this is the last pizza you guys are ever gonna make.
So this is a bird box challenge now, even though it's like old now.
Well, if I really wanted to do it like that, if I had another adult, it would have been so cool because
Do.
we could actually ran around and pretend like we eat pizza dough. What? But how would we be able to tell that it's pizza?
Movie magic, probably. Oh no, I got sauce in my pants. I think that's sauce, anyways. Where's the edge at? Is like,
Use your hands.
Spread it.
Mm-hmm.
am I doing good enough?
Oh my God, you got sauce on your
Wait,
glasses.
where is this? Is this it?
No.
Alright, there.
I cannot see perfect.
Okay, Aiden, start spreading.
Well, let's prove that I.
Can you cover that?
Oh.
No. Use that to cover.
I don't know what I'm doing.
No,
I
no.
For me.
heard trash can.
Never mind.
I think I just
What were you
spread
talking
some
about
on my
trash can
hand.
for?
I think I got some on my hands.
Is this it? Is this it? No. Is it?
You're here, but you really don't need that much more.
But I like. But
I was just
cannot-
gonna help you.
it feels like there's not enough. I don't know why.
I think I'm done.
Is,
Aiden,
it,
you
is this
need
enough?
more.
Is this enough?
Anthony, yes.
Okay.
Ouch.
Okay, now looked up. Right, that where it goes.
Okay, Aiden, start spreading.
Okay.
Okay, Aiden.
Hmm?
Pay attention.
You still want more sauce or
I feel like
cheese?
I just dropped some on my toes.
Cheese.
Go ahead, grab the cheese. You already know where it is. Remember?
Tell me when I'm good.
Wait,
You
you're
just
doing
put
cheese
like
already?
two, not even
Yes, use your
handfuls.
hands. Yes. There you go. Try to spread it around the pizza, okay?
Okay, that's
There
what I
you
was
go.
trying to do.
Good job.
Number.
Pizza, okay?
Okay, that's
There
what I
you
was
go.
trying to do.
Good job.
Remember that I'm making pizza, then you have to
Oh,
leave it
no.
all the way.
Oh.
If you guys don't know.
This is gonna be a delicious pizza.
Dad, stop trying to help me. What?
You're supposed to be quiet. Don't tell Dad.
Wait, no, just put more. No, just put
Oh,
more.
what? I wasn't trying to use the entire thing.
You can. We have more.
Oh, okay.
Okay, baby, don't put your hands in the sauce. Okay. It's
It
good.
ain't
It's
enough,
good. It's
ain't
good.
I can't see either.
Yeah.
Can you?
It's fine.
I think I'm done. I think I'm.
Like all
Some
of
cheese?
my.
I'm here to flip
Is that good? Am I good?
Yeah.
Yeah, where's the bacon? Is this it? Is this it?
What is it?
Oh, yeah.
I think I need to.
Aiden, I want you to put olives on yours.
No!
It's for the parents.
He can put bacon and pepperoni on his.
I want you to put a lot of bacon on yours, okay, Aiden? Because
Alright.
that's what I want.
I will.
So stop using. Yeah, I'm gonna say stop
Okay,
using.
you're done with the cheese, baby.
Right. I'll just eat this piece of cheese.
I also want pepperonis on mine. Thanks, Aiden.
Where's my pepperonis?
Go ahead. You can you remember to where the stuff is? That's the You know what that is? What touching it?
A pepperoni.
Bacon. Bacon. Alright, 2 more for you guys. Is that good?
I'm using my
Okay.
bacon.
Yep.
Alright. Where's the other stuff? What else is there? Oh, yeah, peppers.
I don't like peppers.
Don't put any peppers because
You
I
don't
don't
have
like
to
them either.
eat peppers.
I'm gonna use all the peppers on yours.
No.
Congratulations, not yours.
I love it.
Done.
What?
Almost.
What's going on? Why are you laughing at me?
Nothing.
Am I putting it on the pizza?
Wait.
Am I putting it on the pizza? About there?
Guess you won't find out until after.
You know what? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put some more pepperonis.
Hey, you just grabbed the pepperoni out of my hand.
Right? Is that good? I think I'm done, right?
Me too.
Okay.
I'm done too.
Can I take my off?
Aiden, hold on. Wait.
Wait.
Aiden, can you add more pepperoni?
And more bacon? I'll help.
Yo, you guys are so silly, I swear.
Hey!
Oh, what? I'll put some bacon in yours. Here, I'll put some more bacon in yours.
No.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Aiden is actually doing like.
Okay, can I take my blindfold off? Can I have my blindfold off? Guys?
I guess.
Oh. Oh.
If
Come on, need you to move, please. Thank you.
Making yours first. Disgraceful.
Well, I put mine
Become
at the
both of
bottom.
them. I'm gonna have to edit it out a little bit.
I'm so not left-handed, but I'm gonna do this.
Drawing with the right hand. I cannot wait.
Okay. So, what piece do you want? How many pieces you want? 2. 8 is gonna get 2.
Slices.
1. This one? Okay.
Oh,
So, you taste your slice?
yeah.
He's like, "Ah, that's my bacon. My bacon. Oh, it's stuck.
My mom, I didn't taste it.
Oh, you didn't taste it?
I'm ready for you. Hey, they're coming, they're coming. Oh, my God. It's starting.
Okay. Now, I got a piece.
This is so good.